This beach has a mysterious sound coming from inside the rocks. Dare to hear it? Hidden along the southern coast of Pacitan, Pantai Klayar welcomes you with a wide stretch of white sand and the dramatic blue waves of the open ocean. The surf here is powerful, bold, wild, and mesmerizing. Its most iconic sight is a massive rock formation that resembles the Sphinx, standing proudly against the sea. When the waves crash into the rocky gaps, a natural phenomenon known as the sea flute appears, shooting water into the air while producing a whistling sound like a giant natural horn. You can stroll along the shoreline, capture stunning photos from the cliffs, and end your day with a golden sunset reflecting beautifully on the water. Pantai Klayar is not just beautiful, it's full of surprises. If you're traveling in East Java, make sure to add Pantai Klayar to your must-visit list.